Hi, my name is Liu Jiawen, and today I will be talking about energy and environment. And my subtopic will be solar energy. So, what is solar energy? Solar energy is basically radiant light and heat from the sun that is harnessed using a range of ever-evolving technologies, such as solar heating, solar photovoltaics, solar thermal electricity, solar architecture, and artificial photosynthesis. Here are some facts about solar energy. Solar energy is the reason why we are all alive today. It is the main source of energy for all life forms. Solar power is one of the very few sources of energy that are completely free. On Earth, we are especially lucky. The sun is in the top 5% of stars in the Milky Way in terms of brightness and size. Only 0.01 of the energy produced by nuclear fusion in the sun per second would be needed to satisfy the entire population of the Earth's energy requirements. Space missions have been using solar energy to power spaceships since 1958. The solar energy has been used for over 2,700 years. The average US taxpayer pays almost 100 times as much in subsidies for fossil fuels as he does for solar energy. So when we talk about solar energy, we think of those big blue panels on roofs that generate electricity. Well, they're called photovoltaic cells, and they are discovered by this 19-year-old Edmund Becquerel in 1839. He is definitely a scientific dynasty. And also, another interesting fact is his father discovered you can refine ores into their pure metals using electrolysis. His son also discovered radioactivity. So, how are solar panels made? Well, you see, if you take a wafer of silicon and you put it under the sun, it will react with the light, and the electrons from the silicon will be knocked off and it becomes free electrons, which is normal. So scientists and engineers have discovered a way to dope silicon with phosphorus, and then it becomes too many electrons, and then it will form an N-type silicon. Otherwise, if you dope it with boron, there will be not enough electrons, and it will become a P-type silicon. A solar panel is created when you put an N-type silicon sandwiched on top of a P-type silicon. Connected with a conductor, you can power a calculator, a house, or even a space station. What are the environmental impacts associated with solar power? Well, solar facilities can cause habitat destruction, as shown as in the following diagram, and also solar cell production requires the use of dangerous chemicals such as sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and acetone. However, these chemicals are heavily controlled and have never been a problem. In conclusion, solar energy may be easy to obtain, but it's also really pricey. And now that you've learned how solar panels are made, and the importance of solar energy, and also the effects of solar energy, this wraps up my presentation about energy and environment. I hope that you enjoyed watching this, and thank you.